A typist can finish 3 pages in 5 minutes. How many pages can he finish in 35 minutes? Okay, so ito ay simpleng ratio and proportion. So isulat lang natin. Gawa tayo ng table. So 3 pages in 5 minutes. So P for pages and then T for time or pwede rin M, let's say M for minutes. Okay, so 3 pages is to 5 minutes. The question is how many pages can he finish in 35 minutes? So lagyan natin ito ng N. So dito pa lang sa table, madali nang masolve ito dahil yung 5 naging 35. So ibig sabihin nun times 7. So yung 3, ang gawin natin, i-multiply din natin sa 7, 3 times 7. So therefore, the value of n is 21. The correct answer is letter D. Or another way, we can set up the proportion. We have 3 is to 5 equals n is to 35. So solve the value of n, apply the rule. So product of means, 5 times n. So we have 5n equals product ng extremes, 3 times 35. Divide both sides by 5. Huwag munang i-multiply dahil mas madali ang unahin ng division. 35 divided by 5, that is 7. And then i-multiply natin 3 times 7, that is equal to 21. Follow for more.